Welcome to this lesson on the present simple and present continuous tenses. These two forms are essential in English for expressing time and activity. Understanding how and when to use each one will make your speech more natural and accurate. The present simple tense is used for actions that happen regularly or repeatedly. It also describes facts, habits, and routines. For example, we use it to talk about things that are always true, like scientific facts or daily schedules. It answers the question, what do you usually do? Listen to these examples. I go to the gym every morning describes a regular habit. She works in a bank shows a job or occupation. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius explains a universal truth. And the train leaves at 9 o'clock is a fixed timetable. All these are examples of the present simple tense. The present continuous tense expresses actions happening right now or around the current moment. It is also used for temporary or changing situations and for planned future activities. When you want to show that something is in progress or being done, the present continuous is the right choice. Let's look at some examples. I am studying English right now means the action is happening at this moment. She is cooking dinner at the moment shows an activity in progress. They are building a new house this year describes an ongoing project. And we are meeting our friends tomorrow expresses a near future plan. The present simple describes permanent, regular, or repeated actions. The present continuous describes temporary or ongoing actions. For example, I live in Paris means it is permanent, while I am living in Paris for a few months means it is temporary. The choice depends on how long or how regular the action is. Some verbs describe states rather than actions. These are called state verbs, and they are usually not used in the continuous form. Examples include know, believe, like, want, need, and understand. For instance, you should say I know the answer, not I am knowing the answer. These verbs show conditions or feelings, not actions in progress. Some verbs can be used in both simple and continuous forms, but their meanings change. For example, I think you are right expresses an opinion, while I am thinking about the problem shows an ongoing mental process. She has a car shows possession, while she is having dinner means she is doing an activity right now. Many learners mix the two tenses. For example, it is wrong to say I am knowing the answer. The correct form is I know the answer. Do not say he go to school every day. It should be he goes to school every day. And instead of I study English now, say I am studying English now. Remember, use the present continuous for actions happening now and the present simple for the usual ones. Here is a quick summary. The present simple is for regular actions, habits, routines, and facts. The present continuous is for temporary or ongoing actions. State verbs rarely appear in continuous form. Always think about time and context. Say I work at a school when it is a regular fact, and I am working late today when it is temporary.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.